All right, here are two circles. Plot a point on circle C, label a point P, and then plot where P would go. So we are just going to connect the line here. On the blue circle, it says on C, label it P. And then where would it move to? Well, it stays on the same line and just moves out further. And we label it P hat or P prime. Doesn't matter where they're located, same thing with the second part, except it wants it on the outside circle. Label it Q. And then it would get moved to the inside circle, and that one would be Q hat. So pretty simple there. Question number 2. Again, using this concentric circle, that just means it has one starting point and a bunch of circles around. It says dilate each vertex using P, scale factor of 2. So from each one of these, from each P, how far is it to A? How many lines did you cross? 2, so I need to make it 4. I've got to double it. From P to B is 1, 2, 3, 4. I need to make it 5, 6, 7, 8. Double it. C is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then you simply connect those again. Easiest with the ruler, unless you're super good at drawing a line. If you don't end up with a triangle, obviously we have an issue there. But there it is, twice as big. Now we do the same thing with the half. So if P to A is 2, half of that would be 1. I'm going to call that A double prime. This one is 4, half of that would be 2. Parker, you checking yours? Okay, what's half of 3? You have $3 and we're going to split it. 1.5, yes. So I go 1.5 that distance. Again, you connect the dots. So no measurements needed. You just count. Both of them should be on there. It says measure the longest side of each of the 3 triangles. What do you notice? Okay, so if you do measure them, what do you think we can expect? Well, let's compare the original. Let's say that's about 32 millimeters. Doesn't matter what side we pick. Here it's about 64. Well, you made it twice as big, so each side should be twice as long. Bottom side here is 45. That means this should be around 22, 23, which it is, half as big. So if the triangle is half as big, all the sides are half as long. Now what do you think is true about the angles? It does say measure the angles, but I think we've talked enough about that. Does my angle double? It does not. Why? Yeah, to be the same shape, you can't change the angle. If it's a 45-degree angle, you can't make it 90. Right? If you double, it's not going to be a triangle anymore. So the angles stay the same. Just the sides double. Question number 3. What transformation to get from one triangle to the other here? Wyatt, what do you think?
Like a flexion. Like slide down.
Yeah, probably got to be slid down a little bit. So those points are even, so A is kind of even here. And then reflection across a vertical line. Question number 4, can you make a triangle? That is 99. That is 39. That is 42. What do those add up to?
180.
Is it exactly 180? Well, 99, 39, and 42. 18 plus 2? 11 and 7? I think that's 180.
Yep.
That's 180.